Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make an HDMI cord longer. This will be an easy tutorial for extending HDMI reach. So it's a very simple process. Let's say that you have a rather short HDMI cord like this. So you know, an HDMI cord is generally speaking an audio and an audio and video cord, all in one plug that goes from a device to usually a TV or like a projection type of device. It might be a projector, it might be a TV, it might be a monitor, something of that nature. So you, for instance, might want to be connecting your favorite video game console to your TV, and you're going to use something like this. But let's say that it's not long enough. This is, I don't know, maybe 2 feet, give or take, 2.5 feet, and it's just not a long reach. So you need something that is a bit longer, okay? No problem. All that you need, instead of getting an actual longer cord, because let's say you have 2 of these shorter ones, instead of getting a longer cord, because they can be quite expensive, especially if you have a high quality HDMI cord, all that you need is one of these, which is like an HDMI cord connector. Now before I show you how to connect it, you have to understand on the connector, you have the inner portion. So right here, you see this is an inner, and this is an inner over here as well. And then the actual HDMI cords, you have outer portions. Outer, outer. So you see it's outer, and then these are 2 inners. So this will accept 2 different HDMI cords into it, okay? So I have another HDMI cord right here with, once again, 2 different outer portions. All that you gotta do, take one of the cords and you're gonna connect it to the connector. Make sure it's plugged in nice and firmly. Take the other cord and connect it to the connector on the other side. Make sure it's plugged in nice and firmly. And then what we've done is we've now extended the reach of the HDMI cord. So now instead of just only having whatever this is, 2.5 feet, let's say 2.5 feet, I don't think it's 3 feet. It very well could be, but instead of only having 2 to 3 feet of reach, we now have plenty more reach. Okay, so and we made use of 2 HDMI cords that we already had existing. I didn't have to go and buy a new cord. I already had these cords, and the connector is what allowed this to happen. And that's it, especially if you are going for lengths that just you cannot find an HDMI cord in. Let's say you're going for like a 20-foot length and you just can't find an HDMI cord that's that long, then you can consider one of these. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.